Well, welcome back to learning about how to make teacher videos. So far, we've talked about some tips and issues surrounding making videos for our classrooms and things to think about as we make them. And we've also talked about QuickTime and how to use it in order to record screen capture videos. Now we're going to talk about making these available to our students through uploading and sharing. So let's take a look at a few ways that we could do that. One way that you could put your videos online for your students is to upload them into Google Drive. So it's pretty straightforward. I could hit the new button here on my drive and I could say file upload, and then it would just ask me to find the files that I want to upload. Let's just say I chose this one, and I could say open, and it will start to upload. And I'm going to go ahead, well, that was too slow because that was a small video. Usually they won't take that long. Usually it'll take a bit longer because they're going to be slow. But once you have uploaded them, you can, when you get to this part, you can find them. Of course, organize them as you might want to organize them because that would be a good thing to do. There's a few options you have for how to get them to your students. You could right click or option click on the video and then say like get shareable link and turn on a link, and now you just, oh, let me try that again. I don't know why it turned off, but I could highlight this and copy and paste it, and it would then go into, I could send it to them on an email or something like that. Maybe you are using Google Classroom, and so once you upload something, you could go to like create material for them. Like it wouldn't necessarily be, it could be inside an assignment, I suppose, but you could create some material and then just click the add button and go to your Google Drive and find it there. And that would upload it right here for them to be able to watch in their Google Classroom. For the other option, for me, that I prefer is using YouTube. So let's just say I am over here in a YouTube channel, a YouTube page, and it automatically, because I'm logged in and in YouTube as my teacher account, I can click this button to create a video or post, and then it will go to upload video. And so then I can create basically my own channel of things. Now, I think I've mentioned it before, but I prefer YouTube for a few reasons. One is I can change the playback speed. I don't even know if I can do that in Google Drive or not. And also because it auto creates captions for me so that people can listen to them without having their sound on. Um, and there's a few other benefits as well. The only disadvantage is that unless you're careful, you can upload these and make them available to the whole world. Maybe that's okay. I've gotten interesting comments from time to time on my own videos, but perhaps you want to keep it more private. There is a way to do that in YouTube. It just involves a little bit extra steps, like changing some default options. But if you're not comfortable with making it available, you might want to change that. So once I click the upload video button, then I would get to this screen here, and I could either find it and drag it, or I could go ahead and click this select file, and then I select my button there, and then it will start to upload. Now, as it does that, it's going to give me some choices. Like it's doing some work over here. I can give it a name. A better name than screen recording would be good, right? A description. I could also, one thing that if you're doing this for students, you're going to want to, say that it's made for kids and that you are legally saying, yes, this is okay for kids to watch. So you want to look at that one. The other thing that I like to do is I like to do thumbnails. Now, by default, YouTube tries to decide, see, here's some choices. Do I want my thumbnails to look like this, like as they go to look at it? So I, of course, would like it to choose one like this, such as the cleanest possible look. The thing is, I'm not even thrilled with this. Whenever it does a screen capture of text, it's a little bit blurry, and that bothers me. So what I typically tend to do is I take a picture of a title screen, and then I click the upload thumbnail, and I put the title screen in there. So just as an example, it won't necessarily match, but I would say, no, I like this as my screen, and I choose that one. And that, you can't quite tell right now because it hasn't rendered it, but I think it's going to make a clearer image for me. So I like to do it that way. Once I do all that, of course, I can hit next. Oh, yep, sorry, it's made for kids. And then I'm done. I haven't gotten into these things, but those are things that you don't really need to do for this class. I suppose you could make some annotations onto your video if you got really fancy. And then here's where you could set it for private, and like it will then create links that you could send people. The other thing that you need to know how to do is you need to know how to get the video once it's on YouTube. So, you could click on this and that will take us to the video, and then you could copy and paste this link here and give that to people. Whoop, sorry, I don't want to hear myself saying test. But I did want to go on to this because the other option, oh, see, so my whole channel is approved for Eastern Christian to watch, so all my videos that I put up on there are available for students. And then the other thing is, oh, I don't think it's showing up here, which is a shame. I guess it's not ready yet. So I'll show you that in a second. Once you upload your videos and you go to your own channel, which you can do through here, you can get a list of all of your videos, and you can make those same changes over here in YouTube. Plus, you can turn it to private here anytime you want. Oh, maybe that's why I couldn't make the change that I was wanting to show you. But I can edit the video here. The same options for changing my upload and that kind of thing. The other thing that I wanted to show you, and this is if you are using Canvas. So this is for people taking my digital badge class. I'm trying to make this video for anybody, but if you have been using Canvas and you want to share your video like built into a page in Canvas, what you want to do is you want to go to the page. Again, this is going to play, so I apologize. Is I want to get to the share button. See, that's what I need. Here's a link I can send people, but I want to go to the embed. What this is it's got some code in it, and we're going to take this code. So it comes highlighted. You just have to copy it. So I hit Command C on my keyboard to copy that. And then I go over to my Canvas page, and I'm just making a page here. Whoa,